Ek wil net dankie sê vir Christian Meiberg vir my nomination. Ek weet dit is bietjie laat, maar hey, daarom word dit gedoen. Dan wil ek vir Suzanne Skutte, Monique Fourie, Chantal Osh en Arthur Matthee nomineer.
Ek wil dankie sê vir Anneke vir my nomination en ek nomineer vir Pieter Botha, vir Reinhard Smith, vir Natalie en Helga Smith, vir Aaron Oberum en vir Megan Hartland.
And I'd like to thank John Stevens Webb for nominating me, and I would like to nominate Max Dorfman, Charles Knopenicki, Morgan Sterling, Trey Cates, and Jennifer Cates. Yeah.
You guys
Yeah, let's go.
Hey, happy. Hierdie is besig. Ek gaan hande kry.
Okay.
Oh.
Wat is awful?
Oh. Don't worry, you look good. I quit my job.